Well, there it is, folks. The BeQuiet cooler in the GIM case with some RGB fans up there and RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. This is such a nice build. And this case puts everything together. It houses everything. You have a nice mesh right here, which you can easily just take out and clean. Nice magnetic mesh. Up here, you got the power button, the reset button, USB-A, 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 fast speed right there. You have an LED button, check this out. Boom, LED button, change the LEDs, whatever LEDs you want. Look how cool the LED button is. Simple push of a button. Up here, changes the LEDs at a push of a button. So cool. You can get any effect you want. Like I like the RGB rainbow effect. So you see me cycling through these different color modes. I mean, you have so many flexibility with just the push of a button. And there's the RGBs. Well, this is the pastel color RGBs. You can go for the red there, the green, and there's so many patterns. I'm cycling through all of them right now. Let me see if I can go back to the classic RGBs that I like the best. I mean, even like purple like that looks good. Like the dark side, the force right there. Isn't that so cool? Again, a push button up here changes the RGB. So easy, so easy. Oh man, some of these effects are just gorgeous. Very simple case to put together, and it just looks fantastic. There's my RGB. I like the RGB look right there. And keep in mind, we have a plexiglass right here. If you open up the plexiglass, oh, look at the inside right there. It's a very nice quality glass right there. It's kind of like a little bit of a smoke defect, but it's still very easy to see the insides of the components, especially when it's turned on. And in this case, I thought it was small originally, but you can see I have a full-size graphics card, and this is an RTX 3080 Ti. It's a big boy, and you can see it gets to the very edge right here. That's because I have a 360 AIO here. Now, this is a more advanced installation. Some of you might have a simpler installation where the fans are really nested inside, so you have plenty of space. But even with a 360 AIO front mounted, there's still room for essentially one of the most large and longest video cards you can put into this bad boy right here. Again, right there, we have the i7 CPU underneath there. 32GB of RAM, DDR4, 3600 megahertz RAM there. You have the BeQuiet PureLoop 360 AIO that has the pump right here in line with it. I mean, this is just a beautiful case right there. Very solid case. I love it. It stays very quiet because it has ventilation holes right here, but with the design, it keeps it very quiet. Now, airflow is not like super good, but it's a good combination of airflow and quietness. As you saw, the moment I close this, it's quiet. That's because the opening here and the opening on the other side, which is the same thing, is about as much airflow as the front has. You have a lot of airflow in the top, you have airflow in the bottom and the back, but it closes out the airflow in the front and on the side, which allows it to stay very quiet, but it's just the right amount of airflow. So your components look good and they are running very cool. So there we go, guys. This is the GIM gaming case, and I just absolutely love it. These fans look amazing. The build looks so cool. And I mean, the case makes it so all come together so well. There we go. The GIM gaming case right there. Oh man, in all this glory. Just beautiful, beautiful. Is that not the most beautiful inside of a computer you've ever seen? I mean, for me, I'm in love. So there we go. GIM gaming case all built out with the PureLoop AIO, GeForce RTX 3080 Ti for the win right there.